Hey everyone, Mark from Custom Dynamics. Today we're going to be installing our new support rail bolt covers to cover the unsightly bolts on this 2019 Road Glide. They will also be installing our ProBeam LED fillers to go along with that. I've prepped the bike. I removed both saddlebags, removed the seat, removed the negative battery cable. Now I'm going to clean the surface with some denatured alcohol so our cover will fit like so, with the radius going towards the fender. Get some denatured alcohol. Make sure you clean the surface really well. Get all the grime off of it. And then let that sit for 1 to 2 minutes to dry. Then we can peel the backing of this protective tape off. Let this dry a little bit, and then we will stick it on here. Just be very careful. So press firmly. Next we can add the fillers. Now we're ready to install the ProBeam fillers. We're going to want to cut off the alignment tabs on the back side of the filler. You can either do this with side cutters or a file, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm just using some side covers. We'll clip them off like so. And we can peel off the protective tape. Once the protective tape is off, we will feed it through, press it in, like so. Once you've ran the wires from the fillers up and secured them with cable ties, you can grab your NPR plug adapter and unplug the bike's wiring harness. Plug our NPR adapter in between the bike harness. So, and purple is your left turn signal. Plug it in. You will secure these wires as well, and you're ready to go. Well, we're finished up. Gone ahead and installed the right side. And I put the saddlebags back on, the battery negative cable back on, the seat back on, and no more unsightly bolts. You can pick these products up on our website at customdynamics.com.